33230 Gadsden Avenue, Lancaster, California. Today we're going to tour a Venetia floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 844 square feet. The Venetia floor plan, when you walk in, you're gonna have your living space area, your dining room, and your kitchen as you walk in. And right behind the main entrance, you're gonna have a coat closet here. We do have another 2-bedroom, 1 bath, which is the Serrano floor plan. And now you're gonna see the difference between the Serrano and the Venetian. They're both 844 square feet, and they're both 2-bedroom, 1 bath. The other one, you could view the other video, and this one I'm gonna walk you through. First, when you go over here in your patio, you're gonna have a storage area outside, which you could lock. This is your view. And then overlooking the living space area, you're gonna have your kitchen and your dining room. The Venetia floor plan does come with a pantry, and it's a pretty good sized pantry. And then your kitchen with a little breakfast bar. You could put about 2 stools here. And then your kitchen, all the apartment homes here at Granada Villas, you're gonna have your electric stove, your mounted microwave for more counter space. So like that, you don't have to have an appliance on the counter. It's gonna be mounted for you. You're gonna have your refrigerator and a dishwasher. And then this is a view. If you want to be doing dishes, you could have a nice view of your living space area, and you could also view here the dining room. The living space area is going to be 11.7 feet by 19.4 feet. And then your kitchen area is going to be 15.5 feet by 8 feet. All together with the dining room. And then you have a hallway here. You're going to have 1 bedroom on one side, the bathroom right in the middle, and then another bedroom on the other side. So it's a little bit more privacy. You do have your bedroom separated by that bathroom. On the hallway, you're gonna have a storage area here. And then you're gonna have also a linen closet. We're first gonna enter the bathroom. You're gonna have a tub. I love this rounded shower rods here. You're gonna have a window with the Venetia floor plan. You do have a window in the bathroom. And then your vanity with your medicine cabinet and a mirror right in front. The bathroom is gonna be 6.8 feet by 6.5 feet. And then I'm gonna show you one of the bedrooms. It has its own closet space. It's a really big closet. This bedroom is gonna be 10.5 feet by 10.5. And then right across, you're gonna have your other bedroom, which that one is gonna be a little bit bigger, 11 feet by 10.5. And the reason why you have carpet on the bedrooms is because we're upstairs. If this exact same floor plan was downstairs, you're gonna have all wood inspired flooring all throughout the apartment home. But when they're upstairs, you're gonna have carpet on your bedrooms only. So let me show you once more the living space area. As you walk in, it's an open floor plan. It opens up right away to the kitchen, dining room, and living room. And then on the back, you're gonna have your bedrooms, your bathroom, the linen closet, and another storage area. All our apartment homes do come with a central AC and heating. Utilities are not included. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact the leasing office, or you could go and check more videos so you could view the other floor plans that we do have. We have 1, 2, and 3. And you could apply online on our website at GranadaVillasApartmentHomes.com. So this concludes our Venetia floor plan.